Hello, this is George Senda, and this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing, and this comes from Johnstown, PA, which is near Pittsburgh, site of the famous flood in the 1890s or early 20th century. I can't remember exactly, 1904 or something. I just used to know the daughter of the mayor of Johnstown, and we used to talk about the flood, and a lot of people died in that sad event. May they rest in peace. All right, here we go. We have the bag from Johnstown, PA. Someone almost back home. And now we have the line bag. I'm going to try to save this if I can. I didn't tear into it. I can always reuse it. It's one of those bubble bags, protective bags. They sealed it. Well, maybe I can unpeel it. Let's try. Alright, I think this is a piece of software, but I'm not sure. Alright, we'll take it out of the bag. Let's see what this is. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Look what he sealed it with, whatever it is. Okay, one. I don't know what these little, where he got these little tags from. They're interesting. A little bag, looks like a little shopping bag. Continuing the march with more tags. Okay. Whole lot of tags. Where we got the, I've never seen fasteners like this. I don't know what they are. Maybe I can reuse them. Setting all vault for them all day. Alright, more bubble wrap. I could have a collection of bubble wrap here, but I didn't toss it out. Okay, I'm going to think it'll open this way. I'm going to take more of the wrap off here. Get to the, and he's got more tags. Oh my God. Alright, there's all the bubble wrap with the tags there. And then there's more tags covering the cardboard. You want to make sure the damn thing didn't open, I guess. And was secure. Now, I can't, let's see if I can get it out of the bag. Pity I don't have anything to send off. I may put all this just in a bag and reuse it when if I sell that cable for a former MacBook. I have some other things to sell. Sadly, the clear Apple II speakers or Apple or Mac speakers only go for $5. It's not worth selling them. If I ever go to an Apple II event, I'll just donate them to somebody. Say, here, free. Oh God! Well, I'm not going to get this open. Right. So, okay. Finally got the bag open. Oh my God! There's more. This guy went nuts with these things. Throw that in the garbage. There's more tags. Anybody have any idea what these are? I would appreciate it. I've never seen so many of these. I've never seen these in my life. This thing, I don't want to use Scotch tape. I'll use these little tag thingies, whatever they are. I don't know what you call them. Okay, finally we get to the item. This is DOS 3.3 System Master. That That means it's for the Apple II. So it's Apple II regular, Apple II Plus, and IIe, which means I cannot use that on my GS. But I have had trouble formatting blank disk. So once I get this out of this bag. I feel like I'm robbing Fort Knox here. I'm trying to get into the secret compartment or something. Alright, I will test this out on my 2C later. I'm playing Tigers. So there's the disc. It's in very good condition. This cost me $15 or $18. I had all these for the Kathy's housekeeper. I'm getting sick of housekeepers who don't do their job. She threw all my Apple II software, not Mac software. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this has been an episode of Burgh Unboxing with Apple Retro software. Holy shit! Sorry for swearing. The screen door just flew open and scared the hell out of me. It's really windy out there. Gust of wind just opened the door. I'm going to have to lock that door because the last time it did that, it tore the door off the hinges, and that led to my losing my iPad because someone came in here when The door was open. I was sleeping and stole it. Sorry for swearing. Boy, it scared the hell out of me. All right, this is George Senda, the startled one, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great afternoon and evening. Stay warm, dry, wet, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe, and I hope you don't get a wind gust that scares the hell out of you. Bye-bye for now. Oh.